All right, practice problem 6. This is the final one. It's a little bit longer. You're going to have to combine like terms, but as long as you follow the steps, you'll be fine. All right, fractions. Look at the denominators. I have 2's and I have 4's. So I remember that the LCM for 2 and 4 is 4 because we've done that one already. So I'm going to multiply everything by 4. So that means 4 over 1 times 1/2 W plus 4 over 1 times 3/4 W minus 4 times 5 equals, this is a long one, 4 over 1 times negative 1/4 W minus 4 over 1 times 1/2 plus 4 over 1 times 3/4 W. Start simplifying and getting rid of fractions. 4 divided by 2 is 2W plus 4's cancel each other out, plus 3W minus 20 equals 4 times 1/4 will be 1. It's negative 1W minus 4 over 2 is 2 plus 4's cancel out, plus 3W. So pause it and see if you were able to multiply and get rid of fractions correctly. If you messed up on this step, pause it, fix yours, and then solve it again, then come back and check. All right, so now we're going to combine like terms. So it's the 2W and the 3W, which gives you 5W minus 20. On the other side, it's also the W's. 3 minus 1 is 2W minus 2. Now we're on step 3. I need to get all my W's on the same side by moving the smaller one. The opposite of positive 2 is negative, so subtract 2W here, subtract 2W there. Now we have 3W minus 20 equals negative 2. Get the constants on the other side, so the negative 20's got to go. Do the opposite. 3W equals 18. Last step, divide by 3. W equals 6. It says to check, but honestly, I don't have room. Let me see. I'm going to cheat a little bit, and I'm going to plug my 6 in to this step and see if it checks out. So 2 times 6 is 12, plus 3 times 6 is 18, minus 20, negative 6, minus 2, plus 18. This is 30. 12 plus 18 is 30. 30 minus 20 is 10. 6 and 2 is negative 8. Negative 8 plus 18 is 10. So I kind of did a little bit of a check. You definitely need to, otherwise you might get it wrong. Because on the exit ticket, you have to check, which it is time for. So I'm going to start you off on the exit ticket in the next video, then you'll be ready.